Welcome to Church Media Production. I'm Andrew. Today we're going to be deboxing our new Synology disk station. So let's get started. So first thing, box. Go ahead and open that. All right. Next box. So this is the actual Synology. This is the Disk Station 1819 Plus, if you didn't get that from the title. Oops, ripping the box. Okay, there we go. So, box 2. Come on. There we go. There's the box we want. So, to open this, pop that open, those two open. On the top, we have, alright, so we got power cable, important. Ethernet cable, important. Ethernet cable, important. Keys for locking, unlocking, important. Screws for hard drives, important. Quick start guide, don't need it. Is the disk station itself. Alright, so let's do that. Take the styrofoam off. Styrofoam. They got tape on the bottom. And then you got all that on the front. 3 USB, not Ethernet. 1 SATA, expansion slot for Ethernet, another eSATA, and power cable. Put the hard drives in, just like the other ones. If you ever used one, you just pull it out. It has these nice little clips on there. Just kind of pop right off. Pop right off. Then we're using the, let's open that first. We're using the Western Digital Red 10 terabyte drives. So we'll go ahead and take that, drop that guy in here. Yep, label facing up, and then you can take the little clips, put them on there. Make sure it kind of pops in there right. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And pop it in there, and then you kind of pull on it, make sure it doesn't come out. And then go ahead and slide that in there. And repeat the process. So we're only using 4 hard drives for now. And then later, we're going to buy 4 more hard drives to fill in the rest of it. Just to help save on price, save on money. Do that. If you want to make them super secure, you can always use the screws that are included, which will better secure it down. But of course, you don't have to do that because it's not like they're probably going to be moving at all. Shouldn't it be? That's pretty much all you need to do to assemble it. The rest is just plug it in, go to the IP. So, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give us a like, hit the subscribe button, followed by the bell icon, leave us a comment down below, share it, and we will see you next time.